Continuous line means that once your pen is down, you can't pick it up. So I'm making a continuous line rabbit. I'm starting with this oval shape, and now I'm going up and I'm making some ears. And you're going to see as I'm doing this, I'm repeating my lines often. There's another loop, going back up, 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 making those ears again. My lines do not go on the same spot again. That is okay. In fact, that's exactly what we want. Now I'm making the chubby little cheeks for this little bunny, and so I'm making a figure 8, coming right through where the nose and the mouth meet. Going up, making a couple of eyes, going back and forth, kind of staying on that path that I've already created. And then, of course, this rabbit's going to have some whiskers. I need it on both sides, so I'm going to take the path again to make it to the other side and finish up. Now let's slow that down. All right, now that we're slowing it down, here's how we get started. Make an oval about halfway up your page. Okay, now we're going to make those ears. So you go up to the top and you go up to a big loop, back down to the top of the oval, big loop again, and stop. Okay, continuing. Down to the bottom, up with another loop to make that nose. Now you're going to repeat all of those lines again. Top loop, another top loop, back down to the bottom. Now let's think about those big chubby cheeks. This is just making a figure 8, going back and forth. You want to do this 3 or 4 times. Now we can go on that path to find a spot where we want to put an eye. Keeping your pen down, you'll make that little squiggle line to end up making an eye. Then for the whiskers, going out to the edges of those chubby cheeks and kind of making a zigzag line, using that path that you've already been creating to go to the other side and make your zigzag line again. I did practice these rabbits over and over and over and over, and I changed them a little bit every time. But this continuous line practice takes a long time to create. Once you get it down, you can keep your pen down and just create that continuous line over and over and practice this rabbit every single time you make this bunny. It's going to look different, and that's kind of the exciting part of using continuous line. Use different mediums to create it. This one I have used watercolor to color it in, and this one I used marker. You can even practice this on black paper, coloring in with construction paper crayons or oil pastels. I mean, the ideas for creating continuous line and finishing up are endless.